In primetime news this evening, intervention. Court moves smoking toddler into state care. CXC outrage. Regional students demand review amidst questionably low exam results. And adjourned. Uchen's Wilson gang trial to continue on Monday.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what issues are you dealing with as you prepare your child or children for the resumption of school in October?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.